We're here again, this time at Osaka. By the way guys, it's so cold here.
Sobrang lamig.
It's 8 degrees.
Feels like 5 daw. And feels like 5 talaga.
When look, hindi ko na kinari.
Ito muna tayo sa Famichiki.
Famichiki. This one is spicy.
Kinagatan ko na eh. Ito may Ayan. Favorite ni DJ.
So that's it for tonight.
Dinner.
Yeah.
No. 11 o'clock.
See you again tomorrow. Bye!
Morning! Second day here in Osaka. Ito yung hotel namin. Nest Hotel. Maaga kami nagising. 6:47 pa lang. Nasa labas na kami ng hotel. Yan. For this trip, hindi talaga ako nag-daily plan ng itinerary. May mga nilista akong places na maganda, gusto kong puntahan. Tapos, ano na lang, yung Kamot Main na lang kung saan namin gustong pumunta. So ngayon, sabi ko, try namin puntahan yung Kema Sakura no Miya Park. Tapos, baka dumaan na rin kami sa Osaka Castle. Tapos, siguro Shinsaibashi Street. Kasi, bilhin shoes ni Pia. Saka, bahala na. Sige, later, bye!
Let's go!
Hello!
We're here!
Osaka Castle. Nasa Dotonbori Street na. Nasa Ichiran. First day nga pala niya sa New York.
Maaga nakauwi.
Tayo sa Sushiro ngayon. Kasama pa rin si JJ. Hi, Jay! So, yan na yung mga in-order namin sa conveyor. Salmon, fatty tuna, pork tuna. Hello, good morning. It's our third day here in Osaka. And dito ako ngayon sa Tsurumi Ryokuchi Park. Dito na yung naikutan namin na maraming cherry blossom trees. May white, may pink. Yung medyo na late kasi sila ng bloom dahil lumamig ulit. Ayun. So, ito yung first shoot namin dito ngayon, 7 a.m. Hintayin ko lang yung couple. Tapos, kasama rin yung family nila. Dala ko. Sobrang convenient nitong roller nung PGY Tech kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-backpack or pag anywhere, ang dali niyang i-roll. So, highly recommended ko to. Medyo malaki lang siya, tapos pag check-in niya siya sa plane, kailangan tanggalin yung wheels. Pero madali lang tanggalin. So, daming space na lalagyan ng gear. So, ito muna tayo. Siyempre, bago ang lahat. So, breakfast muna. Kain muna ako, guys. Bye. Okay, nandito tayo sa, anong pangalan?
Yakitori, ano ba ito? Torikizoku.
Torikizoku. Welcome kay Rogen. And Jay, pakita ka. Hindi ka kita. So si Rogen ang close, special friend ni JJ.
Super special with asado shopal.
Ayan, so, oo nga eh. Medyo natagalan. Ay, hindi. Wala pala.
Kailangan,
Wala pala.
Ako titigil siya.
Ano ba?
Dabang walo.
Anong binagaw ko yun?
Mag-ibigay. Matalim niya.
Oo!
Salamat.
Ano ba?
Thank you, April. So it's our 4th day here in Osaka. Nag-chill na lang kami today kasi kapagod na yung first 3 days. Bukas Nara Day to visit yung host family ko before. Yun, super excited ako. Tapos Saturday is Kyoto Day. Sige, bye-bye. Kain muna kami. Okay lang. Shinsekai. Shinsekai means new world. And mayo. Saka ang daming mga kainan doon. Parang sarap. Pero parang masarap grupo. Kaya Team Enjeka.
Special mention.
Sa susunod. Sige. Kain na kami. Bye-bye. Hello! Today is Nara Day. Punta kaming Nara to visit my host family. Kasi nung nag-exchange student ako 23 years ago. So nagtumira ako sa kanila for almost a year. And then ayun, may-visit ko na sila finally.
The first time after 23
years! So, dito kami sa isang station. Kasi nagkamali kami ng sakay. So, yeah. Lipat lang kami ng train. You still look the same. Still look young. My wife, Pia.
Hello.
Yes,
Otosa.
good to see you.
Tadaima. So, may utasan. There's a tub here. Okay. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Oh, there's a couch now. And before there was... Oh, there's a TV here too. Ah, yeah, there was a TV, but the TV before was here. Oh, no, it's still here, but smaller. Mushroom
Mushroom
chips and seaweed chips. Made from Philippines, but Japanese seaweed.
This
That's
was
good.
my favorite. I love Nori.
Oh, that's it. Okay,
And this one
that's
is-
good for drinking, yes?
Yes, that's good for me.
How do you say Golbon?
It's a snack. It's a powdery snack. It's nice. It's a little sweet.
Oh,
はい、ごめんなさい。暑いから気をつけてね。
Awesome, beautiful. How do you say that in Japanese?
Morning! Day 6 here in Japan. Ito pa rin kami sa Osaka, pero ngayon papunta kaming Kyoto. So, Kyoto day. Tomorrow yung transfer namin sa Tokyo. So, we're just waiting for the bus. Medyo malapit na kami to. Strawberry chocolate. Alright, so we're at the Eki Bento place. Kasi sa Shinkansen, they don't sell the food. So, you have to buy before boarding. This is the one I watched from Mark Queens or Guga. Yung Kobe beef. Train ride is gonna be around 3 hours. Dito na. Left side. We're at the Shinkansen na wala masyadong tao. So around 3 hours to Tokyo. After the pizza, McDo naman tayo. Gutom pa si Madam.
I want to try another version here.
Nuggets. Parang same na may tsura ng nuggets. Pero merong pie na ano, pink pie. Sakura pie, hindi naman.
Yeah, that's the cherry blossom. Sakura pa rin yan.
Mainit. Oh!
Sunshine.
We're back sa Tsukiji Fish Market. Gusto daw ni Pia ng king crab. So,
Yes.
Iyo, unagi.
Pwede daw 5,000.
The king crab, malaki pa sa mukha mo.
May pangarap.
Sarap. Red Chin Chin Can. Pinicturean ko to 2 years ago, pero yung labas lang. Pero masarap pala dito. Dinaanan lang namin siya dati. So, we ordered the ramen, fried rice, and gyoza. sa Narita. Ito kami
Pag
ni Kuya
nagka-travel,
Will.
ito yung ayaw mo na araw eh.
Oo. Ito